Hey guys, in this video you'll see how I installed vinyl tiles in my basement laundry room. I start by vacuuming the floors to make sure there's nothing that can disrupt the adhesiveness of the vinyl tiles. Before I actually stick the vinyl tiles to the floor, I lay them out, this way I can see how they look and make any adjustments accordingly. Now you'll stick your tiles to the ground. Take your time to ensure that they are properly placed and use tile spacers in between each tile. Let me know in the comments section below where you plan on installing vinyl tiles. For this project, I bought a pre-mixed grout in white. I'm using a grout float to spread the grout before forcing it into the cracks between the tiles. I do a quick wipe to remove any excess grout from the tile. After letting the grout dry for a couple of days, I mop the floor and use a magic eraser to remove any excess marks from the grout. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more DIY videos. And that's how you reno for less.